foul counted po.
Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Tama na yun, grade number 22, Mr. Terminal. Eto, Rara isa sa ilalim. Bukas yung depensa kami sa number 5. Loser Raul. Stepping on the line, red shirt basketball. Inbound on the Lapena. Looking on number 6. Back to jersey number 12. Eto, sticky defense with the Balu number 4 now. Balu now, sliding down. Eto, ang gagawang diskante. Sayo dito, sayo doon. Dangerous pass now. Babalik kay sa number 12. 2-on-1 situation. Number 12, Tura to Sanggalang with a left wing on number 5. 35 to 14. Back to 5-9 lead. Dangerous pass. Steal by Sanggalang. Penetrate. In and out. Ito, agawan sa ilalim. Ito na. Hindi. Umubra kay Mr. Bokis sa Mr. Tura. Doon sa number 16. There's a kagagagawin. There's a foul on number 7. It's a hacking foul on number 7. First personal foul number 7. That is your first team foul. 2 shots on number 16. First one is here on number 16. 41-35. And the last one.
Tumama.
That's a violation.
Tumama talaga matik. Matik yun.
Back now on jersey number 12 again for the Team Yellow. Kailangan makatapos ng kalamangan sa 6 na puntos. Ito si Mr. Kura. Susubok sa 3. Last touch is red. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound Sanggalang. To Mr. Kura. Penetrate. Magic pass to Sanggalang. Ito. Canino. Number 7. That's a rejected. Ito si Mr. Sanggalang. The secret weapon, the man of the moment, para kay Mr. Balut. Drew Holiday. 8 minutes and 10. Almost 2 minutes gone by sa ating third quarter. Pura, another long bound. This time around, malakas na naman. Ito si Mr. Baremi na number 22 Galapenya. On the right wing. Pull up, too strong. Recover again na Galapenya. Another pull up. This time around, ilis na mo na yan sa Mr. Galapenya, numero 22. Ito tayo kay Mr. number 5. In traffic. Hands up defense lang tayo kay Mr. Bautista. 45 to 35. Saktong puntos sa kalamangan. Mas Marco. Lipat sa offensive rebound. Kaya! Jersey number 16, Flores. Down the lane. Kick out to De La Peña. To Balut. Inside pass to Flores. Steve Rubens now. Back to Mr. Pereira. Elbow game. Negative. Rebound now, Mr. Morales. To Mr. Tala. Kick out to Mr. Cura. Now the pass to Sanggalang. With the runner. Off the window of Mr. Sanggalang. Number 5. Holiday to De La Peña. On the right wing again. Pull up. Vimbes. Rebound again. Inside pass to Mr. Flores. Rejected. Steal by jersey number 12. The magic man for number 12. Taking a slice. David Bird. Negative. Offensive rebound on Cura. Patay si Mr. Robert kay Mr. Cura. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Gandang long pass to Sanggalang connection. Jersey number 5. 39-47. Back to 8-point lead in Troy. Ang ating red shirt. Ito, the man of the moment, Baluyot. To Mr. Perimeter on the right wing again. Same spot and the same result again. Jersey number 22. Walang depensa para Mr. Perimeter jersey number 22. 49-39. 10 na naman yung kalamangan. Morales now. Tukura now. Inside pass. And our same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound to Mr. Cura. 6 seconds now. Pull up, reset. Recover now on jersey number 22. To Mr. number 16. Nakita kasi si Mr. Morales nag-alakan sa depensa. Kay Mr. Morales, 5 minutes and 46 seconds sa ating third quarter. Ring down talaga on the jersey number 12. Hintay muna sa kakambit sa ating playmaker si Mr. Morales to Mr. Sanggalang. On the right wing again now. Loses control. Kick out again. Inside pass Sakura. Sent out to Mr. Serrano on the left wing. And again, rebound. Reset hand to Kura. Another miss on Mr. Kura. Ito. Pushing activity. There's a loose ball down on jersey number 8. That's a loose ball foul on jersey number 8. That is your first team foul. First personal foul on jersey number 8. A press 14 shot clock for the team yellow. Inbound on Mr. Kura number 12. Cross-court pass, dangerous pass on the board. To jersey number 77. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Sanggalang with the runner. There's a contact. 2 shots tayo. There's a foul on number 4. So Mr. Drew Holiday. That is your second personal foul on jersey number 4. Second team foul. 2 shots on number 5, Sanggalang. First attempt on jersey number 5. Ito babasa yung kalamangan dito sa siyam na puntos ni jersey number 5. 49-40 score. And the last throw. As on a miss. Rebound. Ito, 11 seconds on the shot clock. Mabibitawan. Napaganda pa kay Mr. Tala number 15. Ito to Mr. Beloyo. To the sniper number 1. Negative. Rebound play. Back to the sniper. Up the window. Hindi man ako makapuntos from beyond the arc. Ilalapit ng bahagyan ni Mr. Carlos Shana para sa 2 puntos sa kanilang koponan. 51-42 official score. Under 5 minutes to play. Now in action on Mr. Morales. At 12 seconds on the shot clock. Give it to it now to Sanggalang from beyond the arc. Short, reset tayo. Agawan sa ilalim. Secure the ball on number 16 of Aguilar. Or Flores. Ito, itinakbo ni Mr. number 16. Traveling na.
Traveling.
That's a traveling on number 16. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. 51-42. Our official score. Sanggalang now to Mr. Kura. From Tamabagi. That's a way of the mark. Nandun yung recovery jersey number 38. Serrano, that's a long two. Another miss. Ito, secure the ball din sa Peña. Quick passing now to Drew Holiday. Cut talaga ng rebound. Mr. Drew Holiday. Uncle Breaker. Talaga naman. Iba talaga pag nagbabaon ka. Para kay Mr. Drew Holiday.
Ano naman yung binabaon na yan?
Mga binabaon. Mga mabibigat na. Binabaon ni Mr. number 4 Baloyot. Help to shoot now on Mr. Morales. Papiso-piso lang si Mr. Morales, number 77. Ang look of magic now for the team yellow. 44-53 score. In action now, looking on the man of the moment. Kick out to the sniper. Where's the goal? There's a push now on number 38. Second personal foul on number 38. 7 muna tayo. Out muna si Mr. number 8. That is your second team foul. Press 14 on the shot line for the team red. Inbound to Mr. De La Peña on the left wing on the right corner. Inbound now on jersey number 12. Dadaanin sa bilis si Mr. Kura. Slicing down. Run against run on Mr. number 4. Short jumper needed. Tapik sa labas. Serrano on the 15-foot line. Timeout. Back to De La Peña. Ito anong gagawin diskarte galing ng timeout. 7 na lang kasi ang inahabol dito ng Team Yellow. 53-46 our official score. And a shot clock is winding down again to 13 seconds on the shot clock. 11 to shoot now. Give and go play. 8 seconds now. Wait for the buzzer. Number 6 now. That's another shot. Turnover. Ball out of bounds. 2 minutes and 58 seconds.
Mamadali lang si Cody.
Ang layo pa eh.
Layo pa.
Saka 6 seconds pa lang eh.
Back now on jersey number 77, Mr. Morales. Looking first to make number 38, Serrano on the right wing. Looking on a kick out again. Back to the top on jersey number 77 to Mr. number 12. Cross-court pass. 8 to shoot now. Tola. Yes, that's on number 12, Mr. Kura. Naunahan ni Mr. number 12. Ligdan. Back in action now. Cross started ni Mr. Bautista. Mr. Carlos number 8. Looking the black muna tayo sabi ni Mr. number 8. Nasa third quarter pa lang tayo. Looking on the long. Inside pass. That's a bad pass. 4 against 1. No look pass Mr. Sanggalang. Batman and Robin Tate with a ball now. Looking now on jersey number 5 again with a elbow in and out. Secure the ball now on Dela Peña number 22. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Penetrate on Dela Peña on the 50-foot line. Back pedal to the tayo.
Olibre!
Inside pass from number 6. Mr. Bautista for the team red. 55-46 our official score. Back in action now. Looking in control on jersey number 5 Sanggalang. To Mr. Cura, 1 minute and 47 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot line. Inside pass to Paula. And there's a whistle. Reset to 14 seconds. There's a foul on jersey number 12. First personal foul number 12. 13 foul. Back to number 77. Mr. Morales to Sanggalang. 8 to shoot for the team yellow. 6 seconds now. 5 seconds. Paula. Reset to 14. Cura. Another kick out. Ball out of bounds. Turnover for the team yellow. Meron tayo kay jersey number
Ano ibigay na yung bola?
number 20. So, Dela Peña.
Ayan, meron.
Number 2, that's an offensive foul. Number 3, that is your first personal foul. Saan po na tayo? Number 15 out and number 77 out. Team foul number 4. Offensive foul on Mr. De Leon. Ang fishing activity para kay Mr. De Leon. 1 minute and 22, bossing. Score natin Mr. Sanggalang. 46-55. A 9-point lead in Joy. Back in action Mr. Cura. Set up play now for
Hello, Dagi. Are, yung kasalanan ko. Apologize ka kay Dagi.
And there's a contact. There's a variance of hand on jersey number 12. Second personal foul number 12. Pasok sa mga team foul number 5. Act of shooting on jersey number 7. 2 shots on Mr. Sanggalang. Let's see the first attempt. Sure ball si Mr. Sanggalang from the 15-foot line. 47-55. 8 puntos na kalamangan. A minute and 6 seconds. And the last throw at 2 out of 2. Split charity on jersey number 7. Looking in the ball on jersey number 22. 59 seconds now. Dela Peña now. 16 on the shot clock. 14 to shoot with a sniper. Negative. That's an easy rebound on Rodriguez. Quick passing. Further. Moving left. Moving right. Scoop shot. Negative. Ang gandong box out naman ni Mr. Number 6 Bautista. Hindi kumubra kay Mr. Bautista. Yung diskarte ni Mr. Cura. Inside pass to the guard. Losing the ball. Hindi tumama. Ito. Whatever. Proud to shoot.
Let's go, Marvin!
What a shot. That's a long two. Shot like it's up. 18 on the game flag from Mr. Sanggalang for the team yellow. Looking for the last shot. Pinadala ni Mr. number 7. Sinigurado naman. 10 seconds on the game flag. Wait for the buzzer. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Bigay!
That's a drama.
Yan ang mahirap para yung dribble. Ayaw tumingin sa...
Pag-dead basketball. Huling 10 minuto sa ating Golden Boys.
Para sa 10 minuto na lang yan. Pero running game na lang ito.
Ito, anong discarding gagawin ng Team Yellow para makahabol sa kapunan ng Red? Now on jersey number 22. Signaling a play out for the red basketball. Crossword pass to Mr. Carlos.
Yes!
Another rebound. Ito, tataanin na sa bilis ni Mr. Cura. Batman and Robin. Connection on number 5. A nice piece on number 12 to number 5. A nice good vision on Mr. number 12. Cura in control on Drew Holiday to Mr. Perimeter. On the right wing again. Tapik pa loob. Rigado ng pala. Pagkakit na mga tapyas. Batman and Robin. Intercept now. And there's the same ball. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Gandang nakaway sa ilalim. Sorry, miss lang kay Mr. Tala. Ito, ups. Jump ball tayo. Red ball basketball. That's a red ball basketball. That's a jump ball ang itinawag ni Bossing. Red ball basketball. Ay, Warner, dito. Correction. Dito tayo. Yung araw natin dito. Nasa fourth quarter na tayo. Ito. There's a steal. De La Peña. Suplaya ng De La Peña.
Baba na! Baba na!
Score natin mga boss, 59-52. Ito, Panapias, Sanggala. Matatapikan ba?
Binibili libre!
Nandun si Mr. Kamanat, tumulog at tumulog sa ilalim.
Foul, Captain!
There's a foul.
Sayang, di ba?
There's a foul. Tumulog na ako number 15. Mr. Kala, there's your first
Na-delay
foul,
pa eh.
Mr. Kala.
Na-delay yung pasa.
First foul. 2 shots on Mr. Kala.
Di ba yan, mabitiwan yung bola eh. Ay po.
Leading this from the 15-foot line to Mr. De La Peña. And the last stop, ready for the jump back. Forward natin mga bossing.
Yes, yung gulyo.
O, sapo na tayo.
May daya. May sundulyo. May daya ba? May daya ka lang, Tagalog, may daya.
And the last stop again Mr. De La Peña. Yes sir, or De La Peña. Sarado sa 60 at score ng kabilang kumpulan. 60-52. Balik sa walo.
Pare, si Paring Dagi nagtatago sa'yo. Ayaw mo ano. Siguro may kasalanan eh.
Back to now on jersey number 77.
Oh, wala!
Ugly pass to Cora. Penetrate the baseline. Spin move. Good graphic. Set up to Sangbanang. Another pull-up. This time around siya. Mr. Messi. Lumigyan sa niya ang De La Peña. On the right wing. To Mr. Flores now. One dribble to Mr. Flores. Loses control. There's a foul. And makes the pass to De La Peña.
Sayang!
Rebound.
Sayang yun.
Back now on Mr. Morales to Mr. Cora. That's passing. Rodriguez puts it up and in. Under the whistle. Basket is count. Foul number 6. Illegal use of hand on jersey number 6. Si Mr. Bautista, first team foul. Basket is count on number 51. 56-60. Score.
Tatlo na lang.
57 to 60. Our official score, tatlo na lang. Kanina, 7. 16 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on Mr. Carlos. 7 seconds on Holiday. To De La Peña. Wait for the basket. Intercepted. And person number 5. Down the lane and Mr. number 5. Up the window. Timeout. Galing ng timeout. Tingnan natin yung opensa dito ng ating red shirt. Kung matatapyasan ba ang momentum shifting ng ating red yellow basketball now on Mr. Holiday. Anong discarding gagawin po ng red shirt? At 12 seconds on the shot clock. Cross court to Bautista. Wide open lane. Nagkakalangan dito si Mr. Bautista. 7 on the shot clock to Carlos. Taking a shot.
Yes!
Kung pamatay sunog. Kaya jersey number
Yes, Pare
6.
Birds, ikaw na una!
Carlos, number 8 brother, si Mr. Carlos. 62 to 59. Akyat na naman sa 3 puntos. Number 77 now. To Mr. Cora. Penetrate.
Oy!
Good ball yun. That's a tumble.
Umuwi lang naman kami.
Zero bounce. Dati, tatawagan ka ng double dribble mo. Kung hindi dribble, pwede siyang tawagan ng double dribble. Ito, recommend. Yan pa naman siya sa jersey number 8, Carlos. Penetrate the baseline. With a scoop line. Bitilong na yan yung isa number 8. Back to Mr. Rodriguez. To Mr. Cora. Penetrate. Warner. Negative. Rebound again on jersey number 12. Looking for the up and under.
Yes!
Walang 3 seconds pa yun. Ito si Mr. number 5. Wala ka reset.
Relax!
On jersey number 322. On the return.
Sayang.
Pinabayan ka na.
Tatlo kayo eh.
Ay, Roger. Stop. Now. Number 12. Out o sino? Number 12. Score natin 59-62. O number 4 out. 5 minutes and 56 seconds.
Saan ba?
Neto, that's goalie man Sanggalang. Bring down the ladder now for the team yellow. Set up play for the team yellow on Sanggalang. Now on Sanggalang again. Back to Sanggalang number 5. There's a bell. Call on jersey number
Dalawa pa lang.
12. Number 12, Idol. Number 12, that is your third personal foul. Number 12, that is your second team foul. Press 14 on the shot clock for the team yellow. Back to Sanggalang, slowly dribbling, run and round. 10 down on the shot clock to Mr. Morales with a pumping tandang Fergie. Lucky bounce on number 77. Back now on Bautista, now from 3-point line. Abasi rebound, Analo for Bagua. Rodrigo Silva, Lingard, he's covered.
Red ball. Same ball.
That's a red ball basketball. 9 seconds on the shot.
Talaga yung bata mo.
That's a 9 seconds on the shot.
Kahit kailan. Oo, libre. Dalawang beses.
7 to shoot, following shot, reset. 5 minutes and 5. Here it comes again, Rodriguez to take the lead, in and out there. There's a 2 shots, there's a foul on Bautista, number 6. That's a push on number 6. Third team foul. That is your second personal foul. First attempt on number 51. Score. Deadlock at 62.
62 all.
62 all. Chance to take the lead for the team yellow on Rodriguez. This time Morales. Service on number 51. Quick passing now. Pumaleon. Looking now on Dalapena. 16 on the shot clock. Here we go on number 16. Out the window. Reset to 48. Bumping. Advance ball to Rodriguez. Penetrate. Side to serve. There's a foul. Basket is count. Foul number 6 again. Last time out mo yan, boss. Metong na kayo time out, ha? Cancel niya ba o time out yun? Metong na kayo time out. Oh, sige. Yun yung sinasabi. Oh. 64-62.
Diban?
Metong na kayo timeout rin at duwala pa rin kay Team Yellow. Change favor, lamang ng dalawang yellow. This time around, intusyon. Eto, fumble, kanina mapupunta. Press 14 on the shot right now for the team. Yellow, 10 down on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds, taking the slice. Missile. Again, there's a foul number 12. Team foul number 4. Pang-apat na yun, Boss Lingard.
Dapat si Waluyot.
Passball tayo, passball.
Willie!
Yan sa passball.
Si Willie, sabihin ko eh. Palit ka muna.
14 to shoot for the team yellow. Mr. Morales now. Kick out to Mr. Tala. On the right wing, Tala. Short. Lizelle. Number 2.
Si Willie palit.
That's a head again. 64-62.
Sayang yung mga ano mo pare.
Yes, sir. Jersey number 7. 65-62. Ito. 12 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. 15 on the shot clock for the red. 12 to shoot on the Dalapena. To Mr. Lingard. On Alvaro Pay. Yes, sir. On jersey number 12. Tumamak sa anggulo para kay jersey number 12. 65-64. A 1-point lead going now for the team yellow. The starter si Mr. Morales. Isang ka lang now. Penetrate the slowly man. Inside pass. 8 count. 9 to shoot on Rodriguez. Taking a slice. Nugget. Rebound. A big rebound on Bautista. And pagkakataon. Para Mr. Talapena number 22. Time it out. Kick out to Flores. Penetrate the baseline. The break.
Saktong-sakto.
Foul. Number 2 out. For the another play. Loses control of Talapena. 11 on the shot clock. With a runner, another rebound on jersey number 15. And with the Magic Man Pura changing direction now, leaving the defenders all the way and up and away on jersey number 12. Reflexe. 67-64. Down on number 8, Carlos. Also, team's favorite one, pero idol, traveling nga naman, kayo sa Carlos.
Ayun o, 251.
251.
Lag-lag.
251 tayo, 252. 67-64, tatlong puntos. For the Bigger, wide open, hindi pa tinira. Even more play, a service now. Look over now, Mr. Number 12, Lincoln. Gantang bounce pass to Mr. Flores. Second, a service. Quick pass si Sanggalang. Eto, yung veterano si Mr. Sanggalang number 5. Back pedal. Shot clock at 14 seconds now on Mr. Pura. 12 seconds on the shot clock again. Down to 10 seconds. 8 to shoot. 6 seconds now. Penetrate. Puts it up. Shot clock is reset.
Solo!
Si Mr. Johnson number 2. Makakatagay si Mr. number 12.
Sayang yun. Freeway na yun eh. Freeway na bro. Pahama sa pahama.
Last 2 minutes.
O yan! Pwede pa yan! Ay, walay! Bigay! Tayo, bigay! Ay, di binigay! Tatlo yun eh! Yung pinagpasahan nila yun. Dapat binigay niyo. Ayaw niyo pa rin bibigay.
Ito pagkakataon na nakatapyas dito sa 3 puntos na kalamangan for the team yellow on number 22. Balik sa bawas ni Rahamo. 65-67. Ready for the number. Isang puntos na lang dito sa kalamangan. 67-66. 1 minute and 42 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 12 to shoot on Pura. Down to 10 seconds now. Left pass. Oh, that's a bad pass. That's a miscommunication now. Back now on jersey number 15 in control. Ito kailangan ng madala sa Manila. Dahil na si Mr. Sanggalang. Bukas si Mr. Number 5. Nugget. Mr. Jan. Big bang.
Carlo!
Time out. Here it comes again on jersey number 12. Down to 10. Penetrate. Whistle. There's a contact. 2 shots tayo. There's a foul on number 15.
Penalty.
This is blocking foul on number 22 yan. 22. Number 22. Where's OG?
O Paribab o.
Oh, pantabla.
Tingnan mo yan Paribab.
68 all.
Oh, ganyan din.
Panlamang sabi ni Mr. Number 12, Durak. A deadly shot on Mr. Durak. 69-68. Inbound play. Back to now. On jersey number 12.
Hawak pare, hawak! Kay Buda!
16 to shoot. it. Kick out to Flores. 12 seconds now. 10 seconds. Mr. Barabada.
Ayang.
Here it is now, number 15. Big pass. Eto. Bounce pass to Mr. Sanggalang. Oh, there's a
Oy,
foul.
wala pong penalty. Nakunan din
Foul
ako.
number 5. Tama nga lang yung foul. Team foul number 3.
Team foul pa lang. Tatlo pa lang. Wala pong penalty.
Team foul number 3 pa lang. Team foul number 3 pa lang, idol. Wala pa sa penalty situation ng Team Yellow. Press 24 shot clock yan. 39 seconds on the game clock. Back to now on Carlos number 8. And 19 seconds on the shot back to the sniper. Set up to Mr. number 6, Bautista. Kick out to the Lapena on a 15-foot line. Yes, sir.
Anong score? Oh! Score! Hey!
70 to 71. 21 seconds. 19 seconds on the game clock. Shot clock is running down to 14. Wait for the buzzer. 12 to shoot. Inside pass. Extra pass to Rodriguez.
Ah! Apat pala. Sayang. Kumali mga penalty.
Sandali lang.
Isa pa.
Number 15. Sandali. Number 15. Team foul number 4. Eto tayo. Time out daw. Team Yellow, 70 for the Team Red.
Salam.
Wala, boss.
Hey!
Eto.
Yes! Penalty! Dalawa yan, pare.
Thank you for raising your hand, Mr. Number 12, Mr. Tura. That is your second personal foul, Mr. Tura. Team foul number 5. Score natin 71 to 70. Pag pumasok yung pangalawang free throw ni Mr. Bautista, reset timeout for the Team Yellow. First pull up.
Ora, sure ball!
Pag pumasok, napakagandang labanan.
Overtime! Yun!
Meron pang oras pero reserve na. Time out tayo. Sige.
Dikit! Oh, kuha!
Wait for the buzzer.
Tayo!
Okay, extension time now on jersey number 7. There's a steal now on Drew Holiday. Looking in control. And this is the jersey number 8. Looking on the receiver to the jersey number 8 now. To Mr. Flores number 16. Back to number 8 from Bree. Okay. Nakita ng bola. Look over now for the big ball. There's a back pass. Back to now on jersey number 8. Eto. Distante. Mabibitawan ni Mr. Carlos. Tumingad na. Goal fake. Mabibitawan ni Mr. Lingad. Kanina mabumunta kay jersey number 15.
Ano nangyari?
Back to now on Rodriguez number 51.
Na-ball fake siya.
Slicing
pero
down
din siya.
with a runner shot. Yes, sir, on number 51. Paboritong driving line ni Mr. number 51. 73 to 71. Back to now on jersey number 4. Outlet pass. On number 8. Inside pass to Mr. Flores. Give it to it now to Drew Holiday. Ball movement to the sniper. Carlos. Negain. Secure the ball now. Whistle.
Penalty!
There's a foul. 7 to 7. Two shots.
Penalty!
Penalty situation. First personal foul. Idol number 77.
Chod, de may kakain. Yari na sa akin.
Oh, bagal na. Talagang ganun.
First pull up on number 12. 71 to 73. Number 12 on the 15-foot line.
Pang-ina.
Sumobra sa tuhog si Mr. number 12. And the last one.
Ang gagalig sa kanya.
Last over kay Mr. Lingad. And so removes now. Recover para kay Mr. Lingad. Buka tayo na mo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass to Flores. Deadline. At 73. Ayaw magpaiwan yung magkabilang kapunan. 73 all. Under 4 minutes to play. Back now on Rodriguez with the runner again. Whistle.
Hey!
There's a foul. Number 12. Number 12. Graduate ka na. 2 shot. Yung dalawa. Rodriguez with an offensive putback na unahan si Mr. Flores. Sa rebounding division ni Mr. number 51. Mr. Hollywood number 4 now. 75-73 official score. Back now on Baloo. Looking now on Bautista. 10 seconds on the shot clock for the red. 8 to shoot now on Bautista. Penetrate inside pass to Mr. number 16. Flores.
All na naman.
75 all. Back now again on Mr. Morales now. To the runner on Mr. Rodriguez. What's happening for the overtime period? Take over mode si Mr. number 51 and Rodriguez. 77-75. Here he comes again on jersey number 22, De La Peña. Plays the guard on Morales. Looking on Carlos. No good. And I see them on number 51. Leading that defender now on number 51. With the runner shot. And there's a whistle. 2 shots tayo. Foul on number 6. That's a blocking foul on number 6. Idol. That is your third personal foul, number 6. 2 shots on number 51. Let's see the first pull-up. 75-77 official score. I saw a miss on number 51. And the last throw. Ready for the jumper. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Mintis yung dalawa. Big rebound on Dalla. Sticky defense now. Same ball. Last stats. Red. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Lalamang lagay tayo.
10 seconds to shoot. Inside pass now.
Ay! Dito bola, dito, red!
Bounce. Layer out of bounce si Mr.
Dito na
Tala.
ako mag-establish ng posisyon.
Back now on Hollywood. Lamang ng dalawang team yellow. 77-75. Here comes Mr. Permita number 22 now. 15 on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 4. Finish the number 16. Back off the glass. Last 2 minutes. All the over 5 minutes. Lamang pa rin ng dalawang puntos ng ating team yellow. 75-77. Shot clock is winding down to 13 seconds on Mr. Sanggalang number 7. 10 to shoot on Sanggalang. 8 seconds now. 7 to shoot. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Looking for the team involved. Steal. And that's Mr. Bautista. Lanap ni Mr. Bautista. Taking a slice. Hand off. Number 22. As on the minutes. Public Palabas. 15 on the shot clock. 30 to shoot. Hallelujah now. Over goal. Negative. 1 minute and 20. Outlet pass. And Batalio recovered now on jersey number 51. Outlet pass and a cross court on Sanggalang number 7. 12 to shoot. 10 seconds now. Runner up the window. And off the glass. There's a foul. There's a hacking foul on jersey number 5. Second personal foul on number 5. 2 shots. Ito, pantapyas ng Kalamangan. 4 na puntos ang naghihiwalay sa dalawang kubunan. Ito, sumasablay na sa overtime period si Mr. Perimeter De La Peña. 79-75 again. Ating official score, 58 seconds on the game clock. Overtime period. And the last throw, sinigurado ni Mr. number 22. 58 seconds tayo sa ating overtime. And the Sanggalang now. Burning the game clock on Sanggalang. Slowly moving on Sanggalang number 7. Looking for the recipient si Mr. number 77. Morales now. At 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 down on the shot clock. Down to 8 seconds now. 7 to shoot. Inside pass. 4 to shoot. Kick out. That's a 24 seconds violation. Inabutan. Ano ba?
Wala, natawag na.
Natawag
Sorry.
na.
I'm sorry. Okay, penalty.
That's a hacking foul.
Penalty,
on number
penalty.
5-1.
Penalty.
First on you, Idol.
Ilan lamang? Ilan lamang?
50 tayo din, ha?
Apat ata.
Tatlo lamang na.
Score natin 79-76.
Oh, tatlo.
Tatlong puntos na kalamangan. First ball up on number 23.
Dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang yung kalamangan. 79-77.
Okay, mimiss ko yan.
Parang kanina yan ah.
Oh. Yung rebound, wala na sila si Badjo eh.
27 seconds.
Ay, may 8 seconds!
Ayun, nakitawid. 40 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot.
Yun!
Steal. 15 seconds game clock.
Yan!
79-77. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. Wait for the buzzer.
Ay, puta!
3 seconds. Sayang. Time out. Time out pag na-basket ng Team Yellow. Ayun lang yung instruction. 3 seconds tayo. Wait for the buzzer. Hindi ko na bibilangan yan. 3 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Oh, 1.9 seconds tayo. Napakatagal na Judy foul. Number 16, si Mr. Flores. Second personal foul. 2 shots. Sige, kung reserve timeout, pag napasok yung pangalawang 1.9 seconds, anong discarding gagawin kaya ni Mr. Rodriguez? Ito naman. Jumper natin, red shirt natin.
Yan yan lamang.
Score natin na ito, 79-77.
Dalawa lang.
1.9 seconds. Tama ba? 1.9.
Oh, 1.9.
Pag napasket yan, bossing, timeout.
Ano, siyempre.
Timeout. Sabi ni Mr. Number 51, dito na sa sigurado, tabla matalo, manalo, sabi ni Mr. Rodriguez. 3 puntos na kalamangan, 77-80 score.
Birds! Presto ka wari. Tira na agad. Tira. Receive, tira. Receive, tira.
Seconds remaining. Napakatagal pa niyan yung kanina nga 1.9, nakadribble pa yung aking team yellow.
Hey!
Wait for the buzzer